Ever wondered how some people turn a few dollars into thousands? Or what the stock market really is and how it works? In this video, I'll break it all down for you, step by step, no confusing jargon. Let's go. Welcome to StockWisp, your go-to channel for all things finance, money, and investing simplified. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's start your financial journey today. What is the stock market? The stock market is like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell ownership in companies. These ownership pieces are called stocks or shares. Imagine if Apple or Tesla were pies. Buying one slice of that pie makes you a partial owner of that company. Simple, right? And next step is, why do companies sell stocks? Companies sell stocks to raise money. It's called going public. When a company needs funds to grow, like opening more stores or developing products, it sells shares to investors like you and me. There are two main ways. Capital gains. You buy a stock at $10 and sell it at $15. You profit $5. Dividends. Some companies share profits with you, usually every quarter. It's like owning a rental house. You earn when it increases in value and when rent comes in. Then we thought, where does trading happen? Most trading happens on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Think of them as giant digital platforms that match buyers and sellers instantly, just like Amazon, but for stocks. The most important thing in this video is how to get started as a beginner. Here's how you can get started. Open a brokerage account, platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity. Fund your account. Do research or start with index funds like the S&P 500. Invest small. Learn as you go. Next is clear your mind to common myths. You don't need to be rich. You just need to start. Let's bust a few myths. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. The market is not gambling if you're educated. Long-term investing is safer than trying to get rich quick. Stock market can be your most powerful tool for wealth building. You just have to understand how it works. And now you do. Like this video? Then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. How to start investing in last 4 months of 2025, step-by-step guide.